Good morning or good evening. Paul, good evening. Hello there. First one. All right. Red, good morning. And with no fear, LFG. Let's freaking go. All right. Ref, hey there. Beautiful morning. Oh, Welchars is cool. Awesome. And Naomi. Special thanks for Naomi for being here. Hey, Fisher. What's up? All right. All right. Let's go over some stuff over here. All right. I'm gonna let you guys know quickly that I'm in a short position, very tiny, small position. Entered a little bit earlier before the stream, not because it's a high probability trade, but I'm gonna explain what I'm looking for here. Risking about $80, so nothing special. But let's go over some details of what's happening here. We have a new day opening gap high and low, and I think you guys got the idea what I'm looking for. We have this is an Asia low. Farhad, hey. Yeah, I'm on a put already. I entered earlier before the stream because I saw a bit of a structure shift on the 1 minute, but I'm just explaining what I'm looking for. So currently, I think this is the Asia low at just below 21K at 20,997, and we have a new day opening gap low. Now, in between those levels, this has not been rebalanced. So this here is basically left open, which makes it very attractive, at least for me. Very attractive. Maybe not now. Maybe it's not gonna happen now, but this here, wow. This is like OMG. When I saw this, like, okay. Squeezed everybody, took liquid. Look at it. This one has been taken liquidity on the 5 minute gap. This is the 5 minute chart, by the way. So the 5 minute gap has been swept. Liquidity has been taken all around the place. And when I saw on the 1 minute, like, okay, we have this beautiful shift. I mean, what else you need? Here, bearish market structure shift, saw the fair value gap, repriced, and so boom. That's why I my final TP would be actually just a little bit above 21. Yeah, 20. I think I'm gonna take a partial. I think here, if it gets down to 28, just to see what's going on. So I'm gonna take a partial there, but otherwise, and you know what? I'm actually thinking to put this to break even or minimize my risk. You know what? Okay, I just reduced my risk here. A couple of dollars now, nothing special, like $10 or something. So I'm gonna take a partial here, and my final TP would be just above the round number. You know, I'm always looking for early profit taking, so the low-hanging fruit for me for early profit taking would be 21K. But just to make it sure, actually almost 2 points higher, 1.5 points higher, or 6 ticks higher than the round number. And that's it. That's the thing that I'm looking for. But it can still go lower, right? So that was the idea of entering that trade. So you guys like the wealth charts? Okay. Not preferable for trading platform. Oh, I see. Jeff, what up? What up? Yanix is here. What's up, Yanix? put my phone on the charger again. Bowser, what up, what up? What's going on? So if CPI good, you think we are back to good news is bad markets? You know, the problem, Jonathan, is that fundamental news doesn't really matter anymore, I think. So we see many times that we have awesome good news and the market's just tanking and vice versa. So and also, as much as I try to dive into fundamentals, you know, I guess there's an explanation for why is the market tanking for good news and why the opposite. And there's a lot of versions, and I guess, I mean, I don't know. Timothy, hey. Is trade away work or not? I think it's working. I don't have trade away. The only account I have on trade away is with Tradeify, but with Apex, I think it's working. Yesterday, everybody was reporting that it was working again. Ninja Trader. Okay, so it seems like Wealth Charts is not yet the one that everybody's looking for. Oh, about the rates. If Jerome doesn't cut rates, we go down. If he cuts, we yeah, something about, yeah, Jonathan. I tend to agree with that. Yeah, that's what I think so too. If there won't be rate cut, then I think it will be going down. I mean, much easier going down than going up, right? Rafael, good morning. 10 minutes from my house to the bar, but a 15-minute walk from the bar back to the house. Yeah, it's usually it's like that. So usually that's what happens. Yeah, usually that's what happens. But I hope you're not pushing the button by just getting back from the bar. Loved it. Oh, well, Kenny, it's just a small position, so I'm only in with 3 micros. But hey, you know me, guys. I'm going with micros, so slowly, very slow mode. That's how I'm doing it. Very, very. I'm a turtle trader, and I'm not ashamed to say it. But anyway, let me check something. Okay. Do you have any giveaways? Yes, there will be one more, but it's gonna be most likely on Thursday or Friday. All right. So I'm saving up another bit of a cash giveaway for Thursday or Friday, and maybe it's gonna be a New York session. We have to pump up the viewers in the New York session too, everybody. You got to pump it up. Pump up the viewers in the New York session. So it's super simple. You're just here on the stream, and when I will say we're starting, it will, the Streamlabs bot is going to spam it in the chat. You just have to write !cash into the chat, and you will get 1 ticket, and the Streamlabs bot is going to automatically randomly choose the winner. So yeah. Ollie, good morning. Activation food, the Wealth Charts, evals. I have no idea, Max. I have no freaking idea. Hey, Sorel, it's not, I mean, I'm just giving away my experience. That's all I'm giving away. Oh, it was awesome. By the way, I did the recap yesterday. I did the recap, and after the recap video, I made a bit of an extra profit on a Bulenox account, and which one was it? Maybe on 2 Bulenox accounts? I don't know, but anyway. It was in the PM session, just before power hour, somewhere between 2 or 3 p.m. So I made a bit of an extra. So it was good. It was good. So far, doing okay. Have to pay to get funded. Okay. 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 Well, charts. Yeah, take profit trader, no more drawdown. And guess what? Before anybody is going to ask me, I took down, not because I'm not liking trade day. I love trade day. But I'm going to be super honest with you. Nobody bought one single account with trade day since I'm promoting trade day. Nobody bought, not a single person bought a trade day account. So I took off the banner from trade day up there, and I'm trying out day traders as well. I'm not going to heavily promote them, but there's a 90% welcome bonus only for the first purchase, 90%, and no monthly fees. So only one-time fee. So the first 50K account is about $20, and no monthly payments required. It's the exact copycat of Apex, because one of the founders is the one who sued Apex. So, hey guys, I'm not gonna heavily promote them. They are brand new. Be aware of that. Not brand new, a few months old. So there you go. There's the banner. Link in the chat and the description. The first welcome bonus is 90% only for the first purchase, but no monthly fees. Exact copycat. I mean the system from Apex. That's it. Before anybody asks, but that's it. I'm not gonna make a video. I'm not gonna make a promotion or anything. So let's go, Raphael. You can look at what the major stocks are doing related to S&P. Oh, that's something I didn't know. I thought of day traders, please. It's the exact copycat of Apex. So speaking of advantages, they offer everything what Apex is offering. Everything, except there is no, so for the evaluation, there is no monthly fee. So one-time payment for the evaluation. Basically no monthly fees ever. No monthly fees. That's the main thing. Not on evaluate. The activation fee is $130, and the owner is one of the ex-Apex guys who sued Apex, basically. So that's what we know, and this is it. This is what we know so far, and they are doing it since a few months. That's all we know. I'm not sure if they're gonna pay you guys out. I'm trading with them. I have 2 accounts. I'm gonna show them. I have no freaking idea of what day traders is gonna turn out to be. Maybe they're gonna rug pull. Maybe they're going to run away. I don't freaking care at this point. I mean, I definitely care, but I would like to see what they are offering. That's the thing. So yeah. They don't have. They only have Rhythmic Trader. Sorry, only Rhythmic. They say other platforms are coming as well, but so far only Rhythmic, and everything that can connect to Rhythmic. So Ninja Trader, Quant Tower, ETS, and such. Activation fee, yeah, $130 is the one-time activation fee at day traders. Yeah, Top Step, yeah, and Take Profit Trader is definitely awesome. What's going on with Apex rumors? No, I don't see anything, any issue with Apex. So we saw people got paid out last week too. So then you should open a ticket, you know, Dagon Poker. You should open a ticket with them because we had people paid out last week as well. Yeah, I'm not on the starter plus. I have 2 MyFundedFutures starter funded accounts currently. The starter plus is basically almost the same without the daily loss limit, but I still have starter accounts, but those are funded now. So yeah, buy at your own risk. Exactly. You got long at 2220. Oh, you got that right down there. Okay, I'm basically at break even, but I just took a partial. That's all I did, and I'm looking for this one to go lower. Obviously, it can sweep the highs again. It can just go up there, you know, sweep liquidity. There is no blockage during. Oh yeah. You can trade. No consistency. Yeah. So starter plus is definitely giving you more advantage. Although I never really trade news. So. Okay, this is sweeping now. What a rejection. Wow. Okay, no problem. 5-minute gap here. Let's see how that is going to react. Okay. That's a 5-minute CB. Uh-oh, not good. What a recovery here. What a recovery. It left a bit of a gap down there. Oh, nice. We have a gap on the mini and on the micro as well. All right, I like it. Even if it takes me out for later, it could be a good secondary target. I'm gonna put a marker right there. Okay, this is good morning, Alex. Hey. Five-minute bullish fair pops up. Well, we have one here. You know, if you look at this, we have this one. Oh no, that's not it. Sorry, I was looking at the 1 minute. LOL. Yeah. Yeah, we can go. Wow, look at this. It's coming for my entry. The problem is that here's an unbalanced price at 52. Dang it. Just around my entry. It's gonna take me out. Dirty. One thing I might do is I put my stop here. It's reasonable, and I'm covered with the 1 micro down there. So, and I'm just gonna let it cover the gap on the 5-minute. If it covers the gap, my stop is at 60. If it covers the gap here, it might just turn down again. That's all I can do. in terms of risk management. So here's a swing high. Obviously, if it trades higher, then this trade is just not for me anyway. And we're going to look for the next possible leg down. Perfectly, yeah, penny. Absolutely. Absolutely. Perfect snipe there. Perfect snipe. What has been my biggest payout? $4,000 from Apex. $4,000 from Apex at once. So otherwise, like 1,000, 1,500, you know, per request. But yeah. So I'm not killing it like some other big YouTubers or whatever. But hey, this is a journey. It's a journey. And try to get there slowly, you know. I have a feeling that it wants to have an up close candle above this gap. That's my fear about this. Oh yeah, Max, absolutely. Taking it slow. Exactly. So I'm not saying it's a bad thing, obviously. See some of these influencers taking insane payouts, because it's actually a proof that it's possible. It's possible to make it. The problem is it gives you a false impression that, I mean, obviously you can do it, but it takes time, it takes practice, it takes, so I'm not saying it's not possible, but if you're just, you know, in the beginning of the road, then it gives you false expectations, and you're gonna think that, okay, I'm gonna do it as well, and you will, but maybe not that fast. So, you know, step by step, that's how we have to build this up, step by step. Oh man, I don't like this. I don't like this. It's squeezing. But at least we have this nice little gap down there. You guys know me, I like this. I like that level at 31. Have an activation fee. Yeah. Yeah, I think they got back with the active. I'm gonna tell you exactly. Take profit trader. Oh my god, I'm gonna get taken out. Jesus. Okay. Activation. Damn, I don't know what's the new activation fee. Hold on. I think it was 149. But I'm no, that's not it. 130 was before, regardless of the size. It was 130. I'm just not sure if they changed it now that the promo has ended. That's what I don't know. By the way, my trade is still here, but activation fee, yes, $130, Naomi. $130 at day traders, but there is no monthly payment on the evaluation accounts. That's the thing. With the first time, yeah, with the bonus account for the first time, you still have to pay activation fee. I think 99% sure, Naomi, that you have to pay the 130. Otherwise, after the first purchase, there's a 50% discount, I think, so you can get a 50K account for like $95. But that's just a one-time fee, so not a monthly $95, only one time. So if it takes you, for example, more than 30 days to pass the evaluation, you already got a good deal. So look at from that standpoint. Whoa, Richard Oldfield, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Welcome. Good to see you. So if it takes you more than 30 days to pass with day traders, you can actually get a good deal, because then obviously it's getting cheaper and cheaper. But yeah. I guess I was a little bit lucky here. But as I said, if it would trade above the 60s, then obviously we're squeezing up there again. So I'm covered here. If it takes me out up there, I'm still covered with the partial profit down there. Whoa, Prince Seppi. Thanks for joining. Why is the midnight level important? I'm not saying it's super duper important, but you know, it gives you an idea of, are we in a daily premium or discount array? Like if we are above the midnight level, then we can anticipate that, you know, price or the algorithm or the market, whatever we want to call it, is tend to seek back. So the sell orders or sell positions will be more likely in favor. And if we're below the midnight level, buy positions would likely more in favor, because price likes to go back from discount to premium or premium to discount, at least according to smart money concepts. But it's not a mandatory thing, but it's always interesting to see the reaction on the New York midnight. And keep in mind, this is not the candle reset midnight, this is the New York Eastern Standard Time. So not according to the broker or whatever at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard. That's when most of the daily candles reset, or sometime around that. This is the New York Eastern Standard midnight. So good morning, Ion Vida. Hey. Penny stopped. Are you stopped? Stopped out? Anyway, you made a good trade there. Okay, all the costs between take and top step to see if I want to throw them in the mix. Oh, I see. Does sell. Well, you know, take profit trader is definitely, top step is definitely OG, but take profit trader is definitely doing it good with the daily payout system, or you know, you can have a payout from the first day if you reach the threshold. So no consistency, which is awesome. Karsten, good morning. You too have a great day as well. Just enter the short. Let's cross fingers. Let's see. Yeah. No bottom wick. Yeah, let's so there's a volume imbalance. For scalpers, it could be attractive to go down to 31. But since I'm already sitting in this, Um, if this one goes back down here, then I'm putting back the stop to break even. Do we have news today, by the way? Yeah, CPI. PPI, sorry. PPI 830. I'm not going to push the button around that news, so I am just going to sit on the sidelines and wait. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, we have this. Marker style, line color. Do I have to have a line color? I don't, right? Okay. So here was the first partial. Entered here. And now just waiting. Oh, it's not looking good. One more squeeze might be coming up here. There is my chart. Gold is going down, by the way. Let's look at the 5-minute. Okay. What a rejection. Okay. So again, the plan would be to get down there. But it seems like the market has other plans. So there's a very good chance that I'm gonna get stopped out. But no problem. If it goes up, we have a previous day high, which is almost like an Asia high. How far are we? Not too far. Almost 40 points. Maybe it would be a good idea to wait for that to sweep. All right, let's just wait this out. Still going up. Going up. It's going to just chop tonight. You know, hard to tell. Hard to tell. So far, we have some good targets here in the London session. I don't think it should be a choppy session. Either way, even if it takes me out, then it should be heading to Asia high. So we should be seeing some kind of a movement. Yeah, I understand. So I would like to see some kind of a movement here in London. Actually, it started out good. So even with this retracement to the upside, or maybe it's just going to break higher, it's cool. I have no problem with that. I think we should have some kind of a movement. If we close above that 57, then I would target the Asia high. I might even jump in to a trade to go long for Asia high. That's not officially Asia high, by the way, but I'm gonna call it that. And if we go to the 5-minute, I think, or 15-minute, I don't even know. Oh yeah, the 5-minute. So let's just go to the 5-minute chart and look at last Friday. Look at this. Bullish push. And then shifting structure down there. You guys know me. I love these kind of places as targets. Possible targets. Which means if we go for the Asia high, then it can also continue even higher. And that area is like 80 points up there. Could very well be possible. The issue is that it has no, it did not. I'm gonna get taken out from this. Yeah. Oh yeah, I am. And that's okay. We just inverted this gap completely. I don't know how I'm still in this. Yes, I'm in a short, but I already took partial down there and left a small little stop loss here to cover this swing high. So even if I lose this, I'm gonna stay in the green on a MyFundedFutures funded account, but It seems like there's a very good chance that this is gonna just, you know, spike out my stuff at 60.50. I was hoping that we will go down and cover the gap down there, but I think after this I'm just gonna stay on the sideline and, you know, gonna wait for what's the next move is gonna be. We have a liquidity void down there, both on the mini and the micro, and you know, I'm a little bit addicted to these stuff in the London session. When I see this both on the mini and the micro, I say not super important, but definitely somewhat significant in the rest of the session. So we'll see if that level is going to be revisited or not. So I'm just going to extend it. And again, it's only important to me because it's at the same spot on the mini and on the micro. So you can check the 1 minute on the mini and the micro. You have the same exact liquidity void, which is like 3 ticks, so not that much, but it's just enough for a London session. So I'm gonna, even if it breaks this and goes higher, I'm not gonna chase it. I just decided I'm gonna stay put and I'm gonna wait. A lot of low resistance liquidity to the sell side. Yes, that's true. Yeah, that's why I would like to see London, even if it, you know, sweeps some orders here. Awesome. But then I would really, all these levels here, low resistance liquidity. So if it starts to go there, it should go fast, like boom, 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 just take them out one by one. So I'm really looking for it, especially that 20,097, but that's why. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see. There could be a squeeze up to Asia high. That's what I have to sit through. So blown accounts chasing those voids. Oh, don't you? I mean, it's not a main strategy. I'm just saying that as long as they are there, it can underline my main focus to go for the sell side down there. It just gives me an extra confirmation. Sometimes they're good, sometimes not. Yeah. Yeah, we don't know exactly when. So that's why I'm saying we could go way up there, you know, way, way up there. But maybe later, maybe in the New York session, we're going to see this getting filled. So this is not like crucial right now. Yeah, I'm going to get taken out here. It's fine. There you go. So I'm still in profit. I made $33. It's all right. I got covered with the partial here. It was only micros. So this means that we can go up above the 68 maybe. This is exactly the case when I should not chase it. Juan, hey, good morning. Good morning, Juan Wick. Yes, do you happen to know for Apex Pay, do you need to trade like once a week? There's no such rule. I know what you're asking. There's no minimum trading days as far as I know. I checked it. I asked around from some people as well, and I was checking their website. There's no minimum trading days. So like, I'm not saying you should leave it for like months. For example, TopStep says that you have to trade once every 30 days, but What I do is I flip them always anytime. I mean, anyways, because flip them at least once every week. Not because it's a must, but to be safe, you know, you should flip them at least once per month. You know, you should trade them at least once per month. Yeah, we could be Bowser. It could be the case. It could be. Let's go to the 5-minute and maybe to the 15 and see what's going on. You see, the thing is, if you look to the left here again, like there's so many levels if you look to the left to be taken out. So many good levels here to be repriced and taken. Orders are resting above 180s and above the 200s. So pretty much tempting, to be honest. And you know, I'm also a little bit eager to take a small trade. Actually, I took it, but only with 2 micros to see that Asia high. I'm gonna use a tight stop here. I still have coverage partially from my profit from earlier, so that's why I was pulling the trigger a little bit early, I think. Yeah. But I'm gonna manage my risk. As soon as it would push it higher, I'm gonna reduce my risk on the trade. Interesting though, because I entered with the market order and it filled me here and up there. My average fill is 64, but I pulled the trigger here, so it slipped me on one order at least 2 or 3 points. So I'm looking for this to squeeze the Asia highs now. As soon as it's pushing above 68.50, I am going to reduce risk. If it takes me out, then let it be. I'm still okay. Risk management, you know. Keep my funded accounts as long as I can this year. Oh yeah. Exactly. I understand. I'm using so this is TradingView, and for trading I use Quantower, but I have the same color theme, but this is Quantower what I'm using for trading, and for charting I use TradingView. So I'm just switching in between Quantower and TradingView. My main you know, I do my main charting on TradingView, but maybe I should do more charting on Quantower. The only thing that is a little bit more difficult on Quantower is switching between time frames. So if I want to switch for you guys, for me it's not necessary because I have other screen to my left. So I can see the 5 to 15 all the time and the 1 hour. But for you guys to switch, to show what I'm following through, to switch between 1, 5, and 15, it takes a bit of a time on Quant Tower to load the history. So that's what it makes a little bit more difficult for it. But Michael, good morning. The biggest bear flag they're making. Yeah. I don't know what's gonna be the thing here. I think, yeah, we have that high. Prince Sethi, good morning. Just a small trade. I'm calculating my risk, including my small profit from the earlier trade. So I'm risking about, I don't know, 30 bucks on this one, including the profits that I saved up in the previous trade. So that's why I jumped in. If I can make it up there, that's great. I can make an extra 100. If not, then back to plan A, to wait for the new day opening gap low, which seems like that's going to be the case. I'm still above break even. Hey, no problem, no problem. Yeah, so if we have big news in New York, then London tends to go a little bit crazy. Okay. All right, I think I'm gonna close my trade. Maybe not. All right, I'm closing down my trade. I'm still in profit with 30 cents. I closed it. I just don't like it. I don't feel it. I'm just gonna stay on the sidelines. So I'm break even. Actually in profit 30 cents, which is awesome. Just gonna wait. I forced it too much. I'm flat, no positions. Here you go, I closed it. You guys can see it. And this account is currently in profit with 30 cents. So I think I can stop for the day. This is good. This should be okay. The other account at MyFundedFutures is getting closer to payout. I want to make another 3 to 4, maybe 500 on this one. So yeah, there's commission. That's what I'm saying. The commission I paid out, here it is, $8.70, but I had like quite a few orders on micros. So I had a short, then I had a long with 3 micros, 2 micros, and I closed everything at break even. So I left with 30 cents after commissions. So I'm up. I'm green for the day. I'm green. In total, I have one with Tradeify, but that's on Tradeawait, so that's one. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have one that's passed but not activated yet, so that's 10. 11. So currently 11. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 plus trade. So that's 13. 13 funded accounts. But I'm not trading them all at once. I'm not copy trading. And I'm still working on Take Profit Trader and the Tick Tick Trader account evaluation. I should do a separate recap for the evaluations. Dude, I like this. Bit of a tempting. We should wait for London Open, right? Before I jump back in to any kind of short. Still 4 minutes to go, so we should wait. Yeah, 4 minutes to London, so I guess we should wait that out before I jump in. I'm very, very tempted to jump into a short. Very, very tempted to jump in. But I'm not gonna. Not now. Because this is not the time. Because I'm the hero that Gotham needs, but not the one that deserves right now. Or vice versa. Who knows? Yeah. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I would like the shorts here, but we can easily go up Asia. Yes, that's why I'm waiting for the London Open. Now, here's a small little structure with the wick. If we displace with the down close candle below 52.50, also the other thing is with the inversion gaps. Now, I know a lot of traders are using the inversion gap theory. For example, here on the 1 minute, this displacement has been, and that, you know, not perfectly, but as soon as we have a down close candle, that would confirm that it has been inverted, right? Actually, technically this gap on the 1 minute has been inverted already because we traded down there. But the best confirmation is have one body of a candle here and then returning to the gap. Now that would be the inversion entry. But so far this has been holding. I'm not going to jump again on the Asia high. I'm gonna sit on my hands for now. Super happy that I survived break even so far. And I'm just gonna wait. Let's see what this gap is gonna do. No, I saw that he put on a video, but I just did not have the time to check on it. But I will. I will. Okay, almost London Open. Few seconds. Oh yeah, yeah, definitely, definitely. So let's see. Here's the London Open. Woo! Wow. Okay, then squeezing up, squeezing. Oh, should have should have stayed in the trade maybe. All right. Anyway, took this high. Took the 67. Okay. There was no news, right? No news. Okay. So punch this swing high right there. And now, actually, it swept. Well, took out this one too. Let's wait. Let's wait patiently on the sidelines here. It took liquidity, yes. So, so this one here was a sweep. That was a sweep right there. $21.40 sweep and rocket to Asia high. That can happen. That can happen. For now is the waiting game. As always, patience pays. If you guys going for the Asia high, good luck. I think it can go. It's not far. It's like 22 points. See? Let's go. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But if I would have stayed in the trade up here, I would be in profit. Always reminds me of the rule from Mark Douglas. Once you put on the trade, just leave it. Leave it on, because if you close the trade earlier and it goes to your original TP, then you're gonna be messed up, and that's super true. I'm getting a stronger and stronger conviction that this is gonna go to 88. Oh man, I'm tempted to jump in. I'm not gonna. I missed it. The risk to reward ratio is just not good enough right now. But if you guys want to scalp it, well, yeah. I wonder if this one's gonna... Okay, so it did leave a gap. Oh, it's too tight. Why am I so tempted to jump in, to pull the trigger? I jumped in. Again. I jumped in. Targeting 88. Tight stop. Not a good risk to reward. Took the entry on that small gap. in the hope that it wants to squeeze that high. What's the high on the mini? 88.50. Okay, my TP is at 88. I shouldn't have done this. I should not have done this. You know, when I look at the 15-minute chart to my left here, everything tells me that it should squeeze that 88. That's why I jumped in. So I'm watching the 15-minute on my left, zoomed out, and everything tells me that 88 it's just so tempting to be taken out. Well, not yet, I guess. Not yet. I just cannot move my stop lower because I just cannot risk more. I just can't. Darn it. Let's pretend it didn't happen, alright? Let's pretend I did not take this trade and you guys didn't see anything, okay? Let's just do this. My biggest payout, I took $4,000 from Apex. That was my biggest, but I'm a small streamer, small trader, so definitely I got almost taken out. One more push and I'm out. Okay, so down $100 now. That was 4,000. Yeah. Shame on me. Shame on me. I know. So back to my original plan, putting on a sell limit at 67.50. Back to the original plan. It's not going for it, right? Maybe now is the time that it wants to drop down. Who knows? Displacement again, confirming structure to the downside. How far are we from this? Not too far. Okay, so we could go for an entry up there. I deleted my limit entry, but need to investigate the hourly opens, indicator hourly open from fractal. Let's say okay, sounds good. Short approvals. Okay, I see. Okay, admirals. Good morning, Zach. That's a good plan. Okay, I'm gonna check it, Martin. Oh, I see. I see. Plots the lines. Okay. Yeah, maybe I should check on it. Three-minute, kind of like an inversion. Maybe I'm gonna trade on a different account and not trying to abuse this too much from now. It should be picking up liquidity from that small gap up there, in my opinion. Hey, don't have to be sorry. It's not spam. Oh, I see. All right. Okay, we have this small gap, but now it could be squeezing above that. Was a minor structure shift on this 1 minute, but the Asia highs could still be in play, and this was just picking up liquidity from down here. Gotta watch out. Let me give this bit of a different color here. Yeah, let's wait this one out. On the 5-minute, it still looks bullish, so I guess anything is possible. Scalp the long. All right. Yeah, it's like myself, everybody wants to go short and the market just keeps squeezing them. And especially because of the gap down there. Yeah, here we go. It's gonna go to that 88, I feel like. I mean, that's very close. The high is exactly 88.50 on the, that's on the micro, right? No, that's on the mini. The micro high is 75, 88.75. That's where it might want to go. Well, there's a new day opening gap. It has been mostly closed, but you know, partially it has been left open, and there's an Asia low down there. That's it. Nothing super special, but I do like it as probable liquidity target. That's why I was so much, you know, trying to go short again. But Asia high is going to be the probable target here. Maybe after 4 a.m. it can change, but nothing before that. So far nothing. Just, yeah, here you go. It's very close. Very, 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 very close to that area. And I think it should or will break the, what's that, 80, 88, I think. 88.50 on the micro. No, on the mini. So I'm just wondering what's it gonna be. There you go, it broke it. So let's wait for a possible reversal. I am definitely looking for a possible reversal now. Trader Monk, good morning. Yeah, maybe we have to wait for the data. Cedric, what's up? ES took the Asia high. Okay, so that could be a good sign to prepare for some shift to the downside. We also have an unbalanced price at 74.50 right here, both on the micro and the mini. So let's wait for a possible shift, but we're gonna need kind of a structure to be built up here. Out from the long, $100 is $100. Congratulations. 190. Yeah, I mean, we still have some good levels up there. The waiting game, you know, the waiting game. Weekly VWAPs. I haven't checked it. And I have to change the screen setting. Oh, what I did here. Okay, here. I want to switch to the chart here to see. Oh, look at that. Printing, sprinting and printing up there. Want to check on gold. Still going up. Maybe for now. I told you guys that we have that we have this level here, this 37. Kind of looks like it might want to take out that see, kind of looks like it want to take out that 37 up there. What would be the risk? No retracement here. There's one gap down that I'm watching, this, but it just keeps on going. $37.75 would be a supply area or bearish order block thing up there. And it looks like a strong push so far, and it's not far from that, so it's like 40 points, 37 points from there. Oh, starting higher. Big news today and tomorrow, also next week. Oh, Trump is coming. Yeah, next week. A monthly view up. Wow. Yeah, we got the PPI numbers later. So. Okay. Picking up liquidity, maybe. Kind of wondering how strong is this liquidity pickup gonna be? Are we gonna push higher, or we can see a shift finally? If this would create kind of a structure, some kind of a structure here, I would be down for it to go short again. Because we're still below the 100. Wants to buy Hungary. I hope he buys it because Hungary doesn't have money. So what am I gonna do? I don't know. I don't know. Fair value gap is very close to the S. All right. We could see a possible. I'm gonna put. I'm gonna put this gap here. And see how it's going to react. Still waiting. Still waiting. Maybe this would be the chance to create a short opportunity with a structure shift to the downside. But if it pushes higher again above the 105, then I see a good opportunity to squeeze it to that supply area. See you later, Cedric. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for being here. Have a good one. Okay, nothing that I like so far. Something should be happening. We have the new 15-minute, 30-minute, 5-minute, everything is new. So we should be seeing some kind of a direction outlining here. Curious if it can break the 105 again. Because if it does, then, you know, that theory for us to go to the 30s could happen. Yeah, more upside potential, that's for sure now. I just think if it fails, then it should be a waterfall all the way down. If it fails, that's a big if again. So let's see. Let's see how this will gonna go. By the way, I have to set up my copy trader. Okay, this could be a structure shift. This could be a structure shift, but not sure yet. Okay, all right. All right, it got a little bit weak, but not too much. Almost broke that structure, but picked up liquidity. Let's wait. Hey, thank you, Raven. Super early morning from Texas. Awesome. Thank you. Good morning to you too. Here from Hungary. All right. See you later, Ollie. Have a good one. See you tomorrow or in New York. Bit of an indecision here. Bit of an indecision here in the market. So we have an unbalanced price at 74.50, both on the mini and the micro. I don't know if that's enough for it to go down, but hey Saeed, good to see you. What's happening? How are you? Could be a potential move, at least to rebalance the 74-ish area. Not quite sure, but it does look like it. I don't know. I'm curious how it's gonna end up here, because there's definitely a liquidity void down there. I'm not void, but unbalanced price. So I'm not sure how that one's gonna go in that area. I don't expect fireworks till tomorrow. Oh yeah, CPI is gonna be the real one. Yes, I agree, Michael. Testing fireworks, wish it moved. Yeah, kind of interesting though. Could be, not sure, not sure. Could be an inversion. I really don't know. It's hard to say at this point. Still squeezing up there. Yeah, it's just squeezing. Look at that. Maybe all the way up to that 37. We talked about that level. Quite interesting. Very, 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 very tricky. And I thought that it's going to reprice some lower level, but it didn't. Instead, it seems like it might want to go up to that 37 area. It was close to go down, but eventually it didn't. And it was very tempting, but I think it could go for that 37. Created a higher high here. So one more liquidity sweep. Still holding below the 99. I'm looking for maybe a scalp, but not sure where this one wants to push it. Getting above the 100. Maybe it's gonna go for the 37. Looking for it closely, but yeah, super bullish. Good morning, Zoltan. Yeah, I mean 50% off, but you know, the activation fee, you have to count with that too. So are we going to that 30 where is that 37 point that would be kind of a supply area. Not a perfect one, I know. But it would be it. Pass Bulenox Eval. Let's go. Awesome. Good job. Congratulations. Congratulations. Good job. So I wonder, is this gonna squeeze or what's the plan? Open of this candle is 38.25, by the way. It's not even 37. 38.25. We have the macro in 3 minutes. Yeah, kind of bullish. Yeah. Kind of worried. Well, the thing you passed it, that's all that matters. Yeah, took a lesson. Nice. Congratulations. Age of Nuggets soon. I like the name. Kind of cool. Kind of cool name. My problem is I was waiting for a turnaround here, but it didn't happen. And I'm a little bit disappointed because I was really, really hoping that the structure will shift. And there was no way I could ride this up there. So yes, we were talking about this level, and there's a potential supply area here. But again, I made the same mistake, and it got me a small loss. That I tried to short this, and I tried to go long. I'm not in my best, how should I say, trade execution practice this morning. I'm far from being that, but so that's what I'm talking about. Even though if you see the levels correctly, that doesn't mean anything. That you can also execute the trade, despite the fact that you might see some good levels. You need to execute those trades as well. Why only not one arm stretch? Not well. I don't know. By the way, yesterday I was in the gym. It was chest and biceps, so that hurts a little bit. Today I'm gonna do today I think I'm gonna do back. Yeah. Oh yeah, yesterday's first presentation gap. Yeah, got back to loss. Let's go. Now in break even is winning. Leg day. Oh, last week I did a bit of a leg day. Oh, I hate it so much. And no offense, but I walk like a 90-year-old. The other day I walked like I was 90. Like Jesus. I can't go up the stairs. And I wasn't even really pushing it that hard. Very, very, very tricky. You know, after the push that we got up there, and especially after this up close candle at 342, I should have suspected that this is gonna go up, but maybe next time. So here the problem is that the risk to reward ratios, well, that was off. 91. I could have gone with the 10 or 12 point stop. That could have still worked out. Stairmaster. Okay. My leg back consists treadmill work. Okay. Well, a little bit of a secret here. I don't think I'm gonna push the leg day too often. I mean, I should do at least once a week, but you know. Yeah, might go higher. This is a decision point again. Outlined a few good targets down there, and there's also a let me get these stuff off from here. There's also an unbalanced price here. I'm gonna call it unbalanced price range. For later. Just for later. Okay, a small structure shift, but there's no, well, a little bit of a displacement here with a small fair value gap. I don't know. We're only a few minutes away from the equity open, so I might gonna wait a little bit more. I'm not gonna jump in. Thursday, 21,200. I haven't even checked on it. Was that a new day opening gap? Oh, this one. No, that's a Friday. Oh, the lows of Thursday. Okay. Oh, here. Yeah. Hmm. Could be. We also have the swing high and the fair value gap right after that on the news. This was NFP, right? That was the NFP news. So this is technically the NFP fair value gap. Let's just put a fib tool, and just out of curiosity, let's go back to that Friday again. So this was it. This was the NFP news candle. I know that we never got back to the mid-level or consequent encroachment of this one, as ICT would say it. So I'm just gonna put a line there. NFP news candle. Okay. Let's just put it up there, just to know. We can never know. Entered 1 micro long. You know what? I think you could be right. This one is just unstoppable. We are in the macro, by the way, and I'm gonna wait for the equity open. Still almost 2 minutes. This is the 5 minute. Looking for some possible. And by the way, this is a bullish order block. Just saying. Down there. Bearish candle picking up liquidity from this 5 minute gap. Shifting structure again to the upside, pushing it to supply area. And kind of interesting. Shifted lower. So market structure shift with the down close candle. But we have equities open not too far in about a few seconds, 20 seconds to be exact. Oof, I like this. Okay, here we go. Equity open. Our equity is open. I've put a sell limit to 128.50. If it picks it up. If not, it's fine. On this small little gap here. It's not picking it up. Not yet. Let me switch to it. Let me show you. Where is it? What happened again? What happened again? Dude. What am I pushing here? Okay. Here. This is a different account. Only with 3 micros, but I'm not sure if it's gonna get picked up or not. Not going for it. Not yet, at least. So this is just a limit order. Yeah, going for a short if it gets picked up. If not, then not. They're in the supply area, so it can still break higher. But I was hoping for a sharp retracement to pick up the order and then go down for the unbalanced price range. But it's not happening right now. So but we had the shift in structure. Yeah, it's not getting picked up now. Or yet. Come down, look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA. Oh. Yeah, we have a gap. Yeah, we have a gap on NVIDIA. Here's the order in that small gap. The only thing I can do is move it down by 1 tick just to make sure. If it wants to pick up orders from that pocket there. But I'm only risking like 90 bucks on this, so it's fine. If it's gonna tank now, maybe on the next displacement we can get a an entry. If not on this one. Okay. Got picked up. Looking for the volume imbalance down there. Gonna take TP at 76.50. Partial profit. Also, I think, oh, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. First, just let's move to the downside a little bit. Just want to see that. So as I said, we have an unbalanced price range down there. I believe if we get down to the to 94.75, we have a good chance to reprice that area. I'm gonna take a partial in this inversion gap if it gets down there. I'm gonna take a partial at 94.50. And I'm gonna let it ride one runner. Also, if we get down to 106, I might move my position to break even. Oh, hourly open. Yeah, I see. Oh, you mean the equity open? Okay. Okay, yeah, okay, sorry. Yeah. Manipulation, boom, distribution down there. I see. I didn't really dive into the power of three concepts. I mean, I know what it is, but I haven't really used it. But you know, now that you're saying, you know, we have the equities open, manipulation into liquidity, and then distributing lower. And as far as I remember, ICT, yeah, it's bizarre. ICT said that you can see the power of three in every time frame, even on the 15-second time frame, on the 5-second time frame, on the weekly time frame. So the power of three is always there. You just have to pick the every time frame. It's there, the power of three. So if you know how to utilize it, you know, maybe combine it with macros or whatever. Yeah. So obviously, could be a good thing. Now, if you're assuming that this was a power of three move and this was a manipulation into this liquidity pocket, then the most valid distribution area would be down here as a low-hanging fruit. I know we're in a fair value gap right now, so that could be it. But other than that, you know, the low-hanging fruit would be the 94.50, and then rebalancing this unbalanced price range down there, like here. So to imbalance. So so this would be an unbalanced price range. And again, this is not a major target. ICT also said that, especially on the 1 minute, these are not major targets. But you know, it's good to take note of these, because when price gets closer to them, then price tends to, rebalance it with a down close candle. So what I'm assuming, if we would drop down to take the partial there at the 94s, if the algorithm sees this, then it might get closer with the down close candle here. And by the way, I think I should put this to break even, or at least reduce my risk here. So I'm reducing my risk. Don't take a trade if there's a candle without a wick against the direction, because candle without a wick, there's no manipulation, so market may return. Yeah, oh yeah, that's true. That's true, Zach. Anyway, I'm curious how this is gonna go. At 88. I mean, that's good for me, because then price could go down and pick up some of it at 88, and then I could take a partial, That would be good. I'd like that. Take that partial. I don't like this. Yeah, nice short, but look at that. I still don't like it. It can still go up there. Oh man. Maybe I should have taken a partial down here, but anyway, I just reduced my. Actually, I reduced my risk, so I'm happy. Oh hey, Mamba Fox trades. Just be manipulation of this 10 1 hour candle and go high. Yeah, it could be. Yeah. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. I was short from option market ES 910 914. You missed it? Well, there's always the next one. Pump it up. You got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. Got to pump it up. Oh man. We'll see. We shall see, right? I just can't, yeah. Oh. What do you guys think? What's the low of this candle? Low is hold on. The low of this candle is 94.50. Okay. I'm trusting the algo, you know. Maybe I'm trusting the algo too much. Sometimes. Maybe sometimes I'm trusting the algo too much. If we can get a partial, anything can happen after that. I don't care. We basically won, right? So we beat the system if we can take a partial here. Break through the 100. Yeah, the 100 is still like all right. Final TP is 76.50. Moving it to 76.50. Took partial. Moving my stop there. All right. You know, the sad thing is that I'm still in recovery mode. So, you know, because I made some losses. But hey, we're not here for the money. We're here for for the beauty of trading. That's why we're doing it. Who cares about making money, right? I don't care. Exquisite trade. What? Oh, legs. Oh, leg day. All right. Leg day. Hey, there are going to be leg day this week, but I cannot do it today. I'm going to do it on Wednesday. How about that? So, by the way, I went to the gym yesterday. I'm going to go today and tomorrow. So, 3 days in a row. I'm going to rest up on Thursday and going to go once more on Friday. That's the plan for the week. Well, we took partial profit, so Camille, there's so nothing wrong after this. Yeah, never mind. Yeah. I need the money. You need the money. Yeah. I guess we all do. I guess we all do. I want to buy a car, by the way, so I need the money as well. My car is right now worth about $1,000 or less, maybe $900, and it's rusting away. So I'm very careful with my car because if I push it too hard on the pedal, I might just make a hole on the bottom of the car. So I have to be real careful. But I was saving up money. I'm saving up money, and I have higher intentions than just buying a car. But I need to get a car because this one till the summer I think I'm just gonna fell out from the car while I'm driving or fall out. No. No, I wish. I wish. Yes, something is better than nothing. I mean, I have no problem with my car, by the way. The engine is flawless. Although it's a 22 years old car, the engine is flawless. It it takes me to places from point A to B anytime. It's comfortable. It's a very comfy, cozy car. Easy to drive, super good, you know. The biggest problem with it is that the rust. The rust is just it's eating it away. So I need to get rid of it. I think after me, it can go to two places, to the junkyard, or maybe some I don't know, someone buys it to have some fun on some dirt roads or something. I don't know, but that's the end of it. SUV. I just have a small Mazda. I drive a Mazda 323. I can show you guys actually. It's just an illustration. It's just an illustration. It's not exactly my car, but I can show you. I mean, what car is the one that I'm driving? So here's the car that I'm driving currently. It's a Mazda 323 sports version. So I drive the sports version with the sport bumpers, and the and the whole car is worth around $900 ish. The problem is, you know, I can see rust coming out everywhere now, so I have to do something about it. And I don't know. Yeah, we have Tesla. Yeah. Get a bike. Everyday leg. My payouts. Where is your Lambo? No way. No way, Lambo. No way. No way. Yeah, it's gonna be a Flintstone car. Exactly. Get Audi. Beats BMW. Scrap it. Yeah, I think it's gonna go to the scrapyard because it will be unsafe. It has the you know, we have in European Union, we have the mechanical inspections, mechanical inspections every 2 years. So this one has license until September this year, but one told me that there's going to be no place on earth where this one is going to get another 2 years of license because it's so rusty. So this is the last few months of the car, so I need to get a car somewhere. But the problem is I like German cars, you know. I had BMWs, but buying a BMW, especially used, is just gonna drain all my money, everything. So everything I saved up, every single penny and cent and dollar, the BMW is gonna cost everything. But I love BMWs. So, Dominic, what's up? Oh, here's Dominic. He has a BMW now. Can hide the fact. I wish I could be rich. You know, it reminds me that television series Breaking Bad. You know, like Jesse Pinkman was driving a shitbox, and he was making like millions of dollars, or at least $1 million, while cooking some stuff. You know. Skoda is good. That's also a good car. I think they make it in a Czech Republic. It's a good car. Volkswagen, yeah. I'm thinking everybody tells me to buy Toyota. Everybody, all the mechanics I've spoken to, everybody tells me buy Toyota. Buy Toyota because Toyota is indestructible. Everybody tells me that. Now made in India. Yeah, Skoda is basically Audi and Volkswagen. Skoda, one of my friend bought an almost brand new Skoda, or Skoda, I don't know how you pronounce it. We say Skoda. So he bought a Skoda and opened up the engine, the hood, and everywhere it says Volkswagen, Volkswagen, Volkswagen. Everything is Volkswagen in Skoda. Mercedes. Oh, I love Mercedes too. I love Mercedes. I just love. I think Mercedes is like a gentleman's car. Like, yeah, there's sports versions as well in Mercedes, but I think, I'm over 40 now, so I'm 40 years old. I'm gonna be turning 41 this year. So they told me, Mercedes, gentleman's car. BMW is for younger generation, to drive 300 km/h and do fast and furious stunts. But with a Mercedes, I can just drive slowly, like, right. Yeah, Toyota. Everybody says that. Toyota. I mean, I literally asked everybody, every mechanic, and almost everybody said Toyota, Toyota. I mean, okay. Toyota are the great runner. Yeah, long runners. Yeah, the engine, they say it's indestructible, and everything else is good too. But yeah. Volkswagen Tijuana. Oh yeah, airline. That's a beautiful car. Honda Civic is good too. Yeah. Lambo move. No way. Lambos are beautiful. Don't get me wrong. I would be super happy, but I also know myself that I would be driving it for 2 weeks or 3 weeks on the summer. It would be wow. I would be flashing all around the place like, yeah, Lambo, and then I would just put it in the garage and maybe drive it maybe once in a month or something. So it's a good toy car, it's a good one for flashing, but it's not a daily driver. So it's not the type of car. Obviously, I did not drive an Aventador yet. I drove a Gallardo once, and it was awesome, but it's not my type of daily driver that I want to drive, a Lambo. So I most likely it would just sit in the garage, and I would not even enjoy it, I think, as far as I know myself. So oh, Miata. Now, I had a BMW Z3, Cam. I had the Z3. I had a 1.8 liter, and then I bought a 2.8. Oh, Andy Garcia, the actor. We have a Hollywood celebrity in the stream. Welcome, Andy Garcia. Thank you. Air Neo. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. Porsche 911. Porsche 911 is also... I like Porsche. Porsche is beautiful. Yeah. Oh, the DeLorean. Oh my god, the DeLorean. Guys, if I'm speaking about like an exotic car to have in my garage, I would rather have a fully repaired saloon car shape or DeLorean in my garage than a Lambo. I promise you guys, everybody would still watch the DeLorean on the street if I would just drive around with the DeLorean. And if I put a flux capacitor in the car, who knows how successful I can be in trading. I mean, the possibilities are endless if I can have a flux capacitor for it. Ernio, welcome to the channel. Welcome. Don't worry, we're not just talking about cars. Usually we take some trades as well, but when we are waiting for price action to do its job, or the algo or the market or whatever, then we just talk about stuff, Skyline. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Did you see the video of Josh Brolin talking about him? Oh yes, I saw that video. I was very surprised that he said that he was a day trader. And he said in that video that he was actually making very good money. And the secret by him, as he was told back, he was trading back in the days, but still. And he was not day trading on the 1 minute chart, but the only thing he did, he said, is that he was buying the dips. He was on the stock market buying the dips. If something went down, buy the dip and sell it higher. That's all he did, basically. And I don't remember how much money he made, but he said he made a good money. He made a really good money to survive. So first, it didn't like he just jumped in and started to make huge money, but he was being taught how to make money, and then that's what he was doing to support his family. So that's awesome. Yes, that's what I want to do. So if anyone knows a DeLorean with a flux capacitor, I'm down for it. The almanac, that would be also good. Yeah. Not yet. No stop loss move. I'm a little bit skeptical about this swing here, the 111. I think, I don't know. I think it can still swing up here, sweep some orders, and then go down. What do you guys think? Should I move my stop to 111? If you guys say I should move my stop to 111, I'm going to move it. If you guys say no, I'm going to leave it up there at 120. He said he was making more money at the time. Yes, because he was doing the No Country for Old Men. He was basically doing it for free because he had to pay out his agent. He had to pay tax and agent and costs and I don't know. And he said basically he made it for free. That movie. Yes, I remember he was saying he made more money from trading than from acting. Yeah. Don't move the stop before 5 p.m. or a.m. maybe. Yeah. Okay, 110 is better than 120. I just wanted to leave some room for it to breathe, We can still go sideways until we're reaching the 5 a.m. So it can go sideways, wick up there, push up with the wick and then go down. So that's my thought process on this one. Move it. Better to take more safe money. You can always enter again. When I move this and it takes me out, I'm not gonna re-enter. I'm done with this trade because I took partials already. So if I move it here, I think I'm done with this trade. But you know what? I moved it, securing a little bit there. 12.25. But since there is still a tiny gap here, it can just wick up there, boom, and take the orders down there again. You know what? I can't. I'm just gonna put it back. Because I believe, look at that. Boom. Took the order. Took the orders from that gap. And now I want to see it dropping like crazy. I want to see it drop. Drop it. Come on. I mean, on the 1 minute, there's not much to do for this one higher. Look at that. Come on. I believe in myself. I mean, if this one goes down from here, oh, sure it won't drop yet. Oh, thanks for the messages, Dominic. It was awesome charts you sent me on Discord. You see how it wicked up there and picked orders? Maybe I was wrong. And just gonna push it up again. By the way, Bulenox is still down 91% if you want to get some cheap accounts. And day traders offer 90% on your first purchase. Just saying, no monthly fee. No monthly fee on the evaluations. So you can get a 50k account for 20 bucks or something, 19, I don't know. Take Profit Trader deleted the daily loss limit. I'm just doing the commercial. I'm unsure because I never traded with them, and since you know fast track trading and profit trade, I have to remind everybody that heavily. Take Profit Trader deleted the daily loss limit, so I have to remind everybody to trade with these newer prop firms at your own risk. I'm still I mean, for example, I took down the trade day banner from up there. Nobody was actually purchasing or buying trade day accounts, so I don't know. And as far as I searched around, everybody's telling me that nobody's buying trade day accounts. I don't know why. I guess because you can only have one single account at a time. That's what they're aiming for. So I put day traders in there. Yeah, and they say it's forever. So they're not gonna bring it back, but you know, never say never. But that's what they did. No daily loss limit. Okay. Excuse me. Yeah, it's Tom Sabo. Yes, yes. If it's not working, then there's another code. It's a random code, which they provided. I put it in the chat and into the description. But Tom Sabo should be working. If not, again, there's a random generated code um, in the chat or in the description. You'll find it. One of them should work. So first purchase 90% off, and after that, you know, will it be London low? I'm not sure. Daniel, hey there. Welcome, welcome, Daniel. I'm not sure. I think we could just go sideways from here. But, you know, we have the macro in 8 minutes. So that's going to make it interesting. Well, I used to be on. I know in the past couple of days, I wasn't really on too much after 4:30, but usually I try to stay until you know, sometimes 5 a.m. You know, just to see how the kill zone ends. But XRP is pumping. Everybody says buy XRP. Oh yeah, it's gonna break out. Also, everybody says to buy Telcoin. Look at that. They were actually talking in November, yeah, to buy Telcoin. It was an OG. Look at that. It was 10 times more as this. So still has the potential, I guess. Uh-oh, I think I'm out from the trade. Not yet. I'll go XLM XRP. Oh, I see. Nice. Oh, I know, Dominic, but you know, I was just looking for this imbalance. Actually, I took partials, so I'm happy. I took partials at 94.50 here. So this is just for fun, you know. This is just for fun. For the stream, you know. This is just to see what it does. And by the way, I was also looking at the 176 up there, the top of that supply area. Yeah, for fun. I mean, we're having fun, right? We are having fun. Doesn't look good. It seems like it wants to push it back up there. There was a small little range here. Could have had some orders. 21,092. Oh, I see. That's a good one. 4 a.m. Uh-huh. This morning, any good trades? Well, I had 2 losses. Not too big ones, but still. Again, got myself into a drawdown. I have mostly recovered those losses with this short. If this runner would go into TP right there, I could end up in the green. But I was a little bit, well, let's just say I wasn't really patient with the trades. So that's it. And I was looking for this unbalanced price range down here. Also, we have some imbalances down there, and we have a new day opening gap low partially still left open. So I was pretty much sold on the short ideas, and instead of that, it was just kept, you know, pumping higher, which is fine because we entered into a supply area and it feels like it still wants to push it. 176. Yes. Yeah, I have it there. 176. That's why I'm, you know, it can easily go back. Maybe later it will come down again. Yeah, it was okay. I took a partial here. So it was good. So this is just a runner. Secured a bit of a profit on it, not too much, a few dollars. But if it would go down, I would really like that. We have the macro in about 40 seconds, so we'll see what it wants to do. Yeah, me neither. Usually, I mean, we had some good trades in London. We definitely did, but the majority of the profits comes in during the New York session. Okay, so far the macro is not doing anything special. All right, still going down. That's good. How to get 90% from I just tried. Is Oh, on the 50k it gives only 50%. There should be a welcome bonus. A welcome bonus for 90% off. Let me check it. Hold on. Hold on. I'm sorry. Let me check it. Damn. There was a first time welcome bonus for 90%. What the heck is going on? Give me a moment. I'm sorry, Zach. I'm gonna check it here. I know the 50% is the normal discount currently, but there should be a welcome bonus for 90%. I'm looking at it. Because I got mine for 90% off. I don't see it. Damn, I don't know. I'm sorry, Zach. I don't find anything on the affiliate panel about that. I don't know. I can't seem to find it. Yeah, the macro runs liquidity, and that's why I think it could still push up there. I'm sorry, Zach. I might have to write them a ticket about this night because I know I got it, and they said there's going to be an active promotion for newcomers as a welcome. Richard, thank you. So I'm just gonna modify the Streamlabs timer here because I don't wanna. I apologize. Let's see. I'm gonna modify it for now. Whoa, 901. Thank you for subscribing. Almost at 3,700 now. I see that. Thank you for joining the stream. Welcome. Yeah, I'm gonna do that as well. Maybe they have ended it? I'm not sure, but I have to ask. I have to ask them. Well, Bulenox is definitely down 91%, so that's still down. Option 2 accounts with Bulenox are also down like 84%. You have to use the number 2 after the code. So Tom Sabo 2 for option 2 accounts and the day trailing. It's down 84%. Just saying. Option 2 accounts are down 84%. Man, I don't know why it's not giving the welcome bonus. Kind of frustrating. Once they said there is a welcome bonus and it's not giving it. All right. We have the 5 a.m. approaching right now. So technically, the kill zone is officially over, but of course it can still move quite a lot. Let's see. For now, it seems like I did good by leaving the stop at 120. As we suspected, it picked up orders up there. And the target could be the unbalanced price range. And first take out that swing low. So we'll see, I guess. Good morning, Vietnam. Hey, Kirk. Kirk Townsend, welcome. I don't wanna babysit this. Couldn't sleep, missed me. I'm here. You always find me here. Don't worry. All right. I'm I'm always here. Oh, yeah, I was expecting some kind of a tricky move because we have this price range at 101. It might gonna go up with an up close candle. Anyway, it is what it is. Ejected tick to the monthly VWAP, but still don't like it. Yeah, this price action is not the best for now. I mean, it's better than what we have had in December. That was definitely worse than this. But we'll see. Everybody, I like to say that thank you so much for watching. I think this is it for me now. I'm not gonna babysit this trade. I'm gonna let it ride. So let's see. I'm not gonna move my TP or stop loss. It is what it is. 76.50 is my final TP, and the stop is gonna stay at 120. Let's see. Thank you for watching. I'll be back for the New York session as always, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you, everyone. And if you would like to support, please don't forget to use my links and codes. That really helps me out. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for the support, for being here. Push the like, subscribe, and see you guys in New York. God bless you all. Cheers, everybody.